Hello, wishing everybody a Merry Christmas.
Yeah. It's not today, guys. Tonight.
Yeah. And I'll shout out to anybody.
Like Phil Levin, Auntie Barbara,
Auntie Trisha.
Auntie Joshua.
I'll shout out Fat Boy.
Yeah.
Oh, Fat Boy, yeah. Fat Boy taking you walk with me and all too. Right in the river. Just to take a little night walk. It's the eve of Christmas Eve, I believe.
No.
You just
Till the 22nd.
yeah, the 22nd, yeah.
23rd is the eve of.
Oh, alright.
Yeah. The eve of Christmas Eve.
So look, Nathan and Kyle. The market bag in your bag, Nathan.
Daddy,
Huh?
you are being more
You got me how's this?
And a get away?
What we see last time?
Yes, that's it. Yeah, a big one, get away from all there.
Aye.
Go then. The market bag in your bag, Nathan.
Alright. Yeah. The fat boy.
Where you pen? And Kyle say you have a theater here. Oh, it come out? Oh. Come on. So now Mr. A big wabin.
I lose them.
He's walking up in the river here.
I see I lose them. I lost him around our chest. Okay, right away. Oh, wabin.
Wait.
Oh, catfish.
A wabin, I see him from here. The camera right there. He looking in a hole there. That's all.
He back up on his side.
Yeah, he back up.
You hit him, boy.
Come from the side, hit him from the side. Don't go from in front, hit him from the side. Hey, that side you're in right now.
In front of me, walk up in front of me.
What is that from?
What, wabin? You miss. It going up. And what is this one? Oh, look at wabin eating that frog here too.
Hi, look at wabin eating a frog. A small wabin.
You can leave him. I have a small wabin. Don't shake up. A small wabin eating that frog. Come from this side. Tell you going that frog legs at all. Wabin and frog legs. So all those who like wabin, here leg on that frog legs at all. That's why wabin so sweet. Wait.
Oh, baby Iguana. Baby Iguana.
Oh, look at baby Iguana right here too.
Right, look, this good or too small? Small.
He's small, yeah, I can let him go.
Yeah, come and catch him.
Oh, let the wabin get away.
That one is below, eh?
That too, right?
Yeah.
One away.
Said you want to knock out.
Can't say go catch a baby Iguana. Catch and release. Oh, look one below.
You have him?
Nah.
Yeah, he have him.
Double up.
Yeah, two.
Double up. Double up. Doubles.
So you say he didn't have him, Dad?
I thought he didn't have him.
Don't walk up on him.
You bring him.
Ow. Release him?
Yeah, I can release them in water.
How long I catch him, baby one?
Yeah. Like for next 2-3 years.
I catch this. It's a big one. I can get a hole. Back this game instead.
One go on.
Have two.
Two go on.
Yeah.
One go on here.
Oh.
They're deep in on it.
I got one go on, but two
Okay.
look at it.
Oh, let's see the wabin come up here.
And look the next one.
That's not him. Come see.
What is that? How fast you running? You going? Alright. Wow, nice size, man.
That's it.
A nice size. Can't come with it. Let me see.
Nice.
Put him down.
I thought you say he was small.
Yeah.
This is nice.
A nice one, man.
I'm a time, no.
We get hit.
Why by Bali?
I'm a time.
We are strong.
Huh?
So we are one in the pot.
Channel.
Yeah, good thing you reach.
Yeah, like.
Yeah, let's say a big tilapia. Now, tilapia real big. Then you go in the tree. You can put the iguana in the bag now, Nathan. Hit him, hit him! Hit him! Ooh! Hit him, Kyle! The kick going now! Look at, take him now! Ah! Oh, he going now. He got jam in the corner again. A big wabi in here. He got jam in the corner again. Right. Watch him, Nathan. He going on. I seen him from here. Big wabi. Going in a hole. Look right there. You can't see him from here.
You do it? Nah, you do it.
He missed. I feel he get away now. He run back up. He gone, might be gone in the tree. Them spot him again. One last chance, Kyle. You gone? Oh, he gone now. Alright, he gone. So we go head back down the river. No. See the wabbing right here. The way it went down? Nah, Fat Boy check in now. I check in here for you. I check in here. Nine up here. So the wabi disappear. Alright, so we go ahead back down.
We're close. No, front dad. Gosh, dad.
Come again. Wait until clear.
Look at me.
He dead.
You missed.
What's that then? A chop man. Like when I chop. Look right there.
I can check that one.
Look right there. That's when I stab. I tell you. You're not gonna tell. I hit him. Look right there. Oh, that's a little. Oh, it's pretty direct hit.
When you want to chop him, who will hit him?
Nah, look at again. Go down a bit. Right there.
He missed.
Wait, oh, let's see hit him, right? Let's see him. I can't pay a touch on him. Don't dig out. Don't take out.
That's a massive wabi.
Hey,
Go back a little bit, I'm going to get it.
hey, that's
Pull him
it.
up.
This bigger than the one.
That's a massive wabi, I mean.
The biggest for the wide.
Yeah,
No, that's why.
massive wabi.
Let me keep some now.
Yeah, you can keep them.
Keep one now.
Yeah,
We had
Fat Boy,
to go out to-
Nathan.
Then give me that.
And we have one more again to get.